Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yayla Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this really cute half up half down using my upart wig, so stay tuned if you are interested. Okay, so first I am starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be using my Sunny Owl Not Free Forever leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in because it has Jamaican black castor oil in it, which is going to help promote hair growth for me. If I'm going to be wearing a upart wig, I would like something that has a base that's going to help with hair growth. Of course, might as well get all the benefits of wearing a wig, so I am going to use this as my leave-in. I always like something that's nice and moisturizing, but also gives me benefits of letting my hair grow. I feel like that's super important for my hair to be healthy, but also growing. And yeah, this is from the brand Sunny Owl. And then next, to prep my hair for the upart, I'm going to section it off the way it needs to be for a half up, half down. So I am going to start from the sides of my hair and just part it. You guys are basically going to see it. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm going to show how I'm parting on the screen, as you guys can see. And you don't need too much hair to leave out. You're just going to section off that very front of your hair. So that's the section. And then I'm just going to take a scrunchie and put it away so that the hair isn't falling in my face while I'm trying to work. And then next, what I'm going to do is braid up the hair. I know some people will just put their hair all back into one low bun, but I just feel like having it in braids makes it more easier and manageable. And so I'm going to be taking my Lavish Curls hair growth oil. And if you guys didn't know, Lavish Curls is my brand, and the website is on the screen for you guys to shop and get your hair growth oil. It makes your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. And then I'm also going to be using the Allocate Naturals Bonicles hair and scalp balm, and that is to keep my hair sealed in with moisture. So as you guys can see, I use a lot of things that help promote moisture and hair growth before putting my hair into a protective style, because I don't see any point of putting my hair in a protective style if my hair underneath is just going to be dry and, you know, not getting any benefits. It doesn't make sense. It's 2020 and we like to take care of our hair. So I'm just going ahead and putting in some braids. I'm not the best braider, but I do what I can. So yeah, this is the process I'm going to be repeating all over my head. I'm just going to be massaging my scalp, whatever section of my hair, with my Lavish Curls hair growth oil. And guys, look how long my hair is getting. This hair growth oil, y'all, I'm gonna brag on myself. It's bomb. It's bomb. So link in the description box to get yours. So many people are talking about how it's getting their hair thicker and longer. People are seeing results. Make sure you're a part of that. So I'm just repeating that process. I'm going to apply that balm onto my hair as well, so my braids are nice and moisturized, and braid it up. So in total, I have about 4 or 5 braids in my hair. Let's see, I'm about to turn around in a second. I have, what is that, 5 braids in the back of my hair. So that's it. And then my hair is parted off in the front. So that is the base of the style. So the hair that I'm using is from NiaWigs, and I will have a discount code so you guys can save $15 off of this hair. This is their Kinky curly hair. I believe this is in the 18 inches, and it already has those clips, and you're just going to take those clips and put it on where we parted our hair. So I'm just going ahead and placing those clips onto my hair. Okay, and then I'm going to take some bobby pins, and that's just to secure it in place. I don't want this wig going anywhere. Even though it has clips, I still need the bobby pins just to make sure that the hair is extra secure. So I'm just taking a bobby pin and placing it on both sides of the hair. And then also at the bottom, because since the wig is pushed further back, there's going to be more gapping in the back, so you need to make sure that's more secure. So I'm just taking the extra bobby pins and placing it on. Now we're going to take the front section of the wig and we're going to section that off, because we need to start blending our real hair with the wig hair. So I'm just taking that wig hair and I'm going to section off. You don't need too much of it, but you're going to section it just kind of like how you sectioned your real hair. So once you have that section off and all pulled to the front, you are going to go ahead and just secure it with a scrunchie so you can get that hair out of your way as well, because if you have all this hair in the way, it's going to make this hairstyle harder to do. So I'm just sectioning the hair off in the back, and then I'm going to take down my real hair in the front so I can begin blending. And I'm just going to section that off as well. It just makes it all easier if things are in sections. Alright, so now I'm going ahead and spraying the front of my hair so that I can blend. So I'm going ahead and I'm just going to spray the front. And then I'm taking my tangle teaser to smooth it out and just make everything more smooth. And then I'm going to be using my Wet Line Extreme Gel to help slick down my hair in the front. Alright, and then once that's done, I can go ahead and take the scrunchie down. And then I'm just going to spray the rest of my hair so that it's blending even more. And I'm just taking this random Garnier Fructis Curl Defining Cream, and I'm going to rake that through my hair because I noticed that it needed to be more defined and just blend better. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. And then I'm going to give it more slick and then put it into a high ponytail. And this is some thick hair, y'all, so it's kind of hard to put it in a ponytail because you know it's naturally really kinky. So you're gonna have to put in that arm work with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and loop that through and create my high ponytail. Okay, so once all that's through, you'll see that my real hair isn't blending, so you're gonna go ahead and blend it. So for the blending process, I am going to spray it a little bit just to get it nice and wet, and then I am going to rake some of that curl definer through the hair too, just to smooth everything out so that it controls the frizz and it's easier to twist and wrap around the hair. So you're going to see me wrap it around in a second, but I'm just making sure I wet each side of my hair, because at first I was trying to see like, can it blend with the hair? But I was like, nah, it's not gonna work. So we're gonna have to wrap it around. So I'm just gonna rake the curl definer through, and then I'm gonna twist the hair. And then once I've done that, I am going to make sure I secure with a bobby pin so that it does not go anywhere. So this is what it's looking like so far, but we are not done. We're going to make this half up, half down look even more sleek and really cute, but this is just the beginning stage of it. So next, what I'm going to do is take my spray bottle because I want the curls a bit more defined. The hair is getting a little old, you know, just like natural hair. We have to spray it, condition it, redefine your hair, because this is basically like a wash and go. So I'm just going to spray the whole head, get it nice and wet so I can start to define those curls again. And this wig has natural definition and barely gets frizzy, but I'm going to take that same Garnier Fructis Curl Definer, and it's really moisturizing and soft on the hair, so I really like this for the wig hair. And if I didn't mention, this is 100% human hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and rake that curl definer through so that I can make sure my wig stays nice. I don't want a tangled wig. I want it to feel soft and as natural as possible. So this is what it's looking like so far. And then I'm also doing the top. I want the top to look the same. And as you guys can see, the part that I wrapped around was starting to come loose. So I tried a different method of basically twisting the hair first so that it could be even more flat, basically, and blend in better. And I find this method to work way better. So I just twisted that whole section and then wrapped it around. That's what I should have did the first time, but you know, It was my first time doing this style, so I'm gonna take that and secure it with the bobby pin. And that hair is gonna leave like a knot looking, so I'm just gonna bobby pin the hair over it so that you can't see it, and then it made it look more natural instead. So that's the method I used. And now I'm just looking at the hair and I'm going to do any finishing touches. So I'm taking my Alake Naturals Slay and Lay Edge Control, and I'm just going to lay my baby hairs down. And I'm also going to take that same edge control and use it on the very front of my hair, so everything's like blending, so the edges and into the hairstyle of half up is blending, if that makes sense. So as you guys can see, this is what I mean. I'm applying the gel there. And then yeah, now just add any finishing touches. If I want a little bit more curl definition, I'm just gonna spray and apply it, but you guys can do it to your liking. Like, you can add as much volume to this hair as you want by spraying less water, but I wanted a little bit more definition, so I did go in and just spray and add some more curl definer. And like I said, all the products I use will be linked in the description box below. Check out NiaWigs so you can save $15 off of your wig, and definitely check out my Lavish Curls hair growth oil so you can get your hair growing. But this is the final look, you guys. It looks very natural and super cute. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.